This is Jamaica News Roundup, a weekly summary of the top news stories. I am Chante. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was sworn in by Governor-General Sir Patrick Allan for a second term of office after the September 3rd general election. The ruling Jamaica Labor Party defeated the opposition's People National Party with a landslide victory, which was propelled by the management of the COVID-19 pandemic and the popularity of Andrew Holness. In the preliminary count, the JLP won 48 seats to the PNP 15 seats. One day after the general election, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips resigned as president of the People's National Party. According to a poll done by JNR News, the most favored persons to replace him are Peter Bunting and Lisa Hanna. In other news, the legendary reggae artist Toots Hibbert is in a medically induced coma in the hospital. The Jamaica Minister of Culture, Babsy Grange, is asking for blood donations on his behalf. To date, Jamaica has recorded 3,511 cases of COVID-19 and 40 deaths. To combat the pandemic, the government plans to set up a field hospital in the corporate area within the next 2 weeks. The Minister of Health, Christopher Tufton, will begin weekly briefings giving updates on the pandemic. Please join us again next week for another Jamaica News Roundup. This is Chante, and have a blessed weekend. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching.